Okay, now about the value. So what is the value? No, the value is the, for example, the title. So you see the title of the book, author, who is author. For example, like William Shakespeare. So it's the author for it. Publisher. So you have different publishers. So you put the values in the entities over there, right? So value is the occurrence of any thing you have it.
Oh, yes,
So
yes.
if you see over here for ISBN, so the value of occurrence is 09. This is the value of the ISBN. The title, this is the book name of the e-commerce. Okay, who is the publisher? Jim Polland is the publisher, and for example, and this print is also, this is the publisher whole name out there till it. So a particular book, e-commerce by Jim Polland, published by Printers Hall, an occurrence of an entity of the book. So book has a, this the value. So the value of this book is here. This is the value. This is the value, and this is the value. So these are the values for this entity type. Okay. So this is the, this is whole is the entity type. Okay. So when you say what is entity type, this is the entity type. Okay.
Yes.
Right. So this is entity type, and this is the value. This is the occurrence, how it occurs. So you can put, this is the first row. So the row inside, the value inside the row is considered to be a occurrence of that one. I hope it's clear now.